Beyond impressed with the Maybelline matte ink. This is in the color Pathfinder. Now we got it for my daughter who's on a cheer team, and this is the color that they're wearing for their competitions. I put it on her and it literally lasted more than 24 hours. Now this was put on, I think 4 hours ago. She's already had multiple snacks and a meal, and you can see it stays put. And then we just put this on you and it looks so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on as well. It's the Super Stay. And here's my before. I have nothing on. That's what the applicator looks like. And then once you put it on, you're probably not gonna wanna talk too much because you wanna give it a chance to dry and not get on your teeth and all that. So here we go. Now we all have the color on. It is so pretty and it's gonna last. Just got done swimming. That lipstick is still perfect. Her lipstick is perfect too. This is crazy. This is the next morning and I washed my face last night. That's crazy. Just added a little bit of lip gloss on it that kind of hydrated it, and I am so impressed with this lipstick. It is lasting a whole nother day and it looks good. I'll take it. So if you're looking for a really long lasting lip stain, this one stays on.